surrounding. Yes, that we discussed in the previous class. So now we will take the next part of it. Yes. So what? See, just consider the one diagram here. Yes, this is the plane. Yes, one paper sheet it is. So what I consider here? This is the one positive charge. So Q means what? Positive charge. Yes. So I consider the one positive charge here. So next, see here the movement of the charge is there. Then only there is a produce of the magnetic field. Yes. So ये charge is of course the movement of degree. Yes. So movement, charge movement is nothing but the velocity of that charge. Yes. So ನಿಮ್ಮ velocity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು? Velocity is nothing but the displacement per unit time. Yes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ displacement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Position change ಆಗೋದು. From one position to another position movement ಆಗಿ in particular direction. Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ from in this direction. So ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Velocity. Yes. So charge ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? From here to here it is moving. Yes. And it is also having the direction. So of course charge is also having the velocity. Yes. So consider a one positive charge moving with the velocity v. Yes. So charge ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then definitely it will produces the magnetic field in the surrounding. Yes. So charge move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ particular direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ that will produce the magnetic field in the surrounding. Yes, that we know. So V means what? Magnetic field, right? So here we can see one more direction I showed you. What is that? F. F means what here? Force. What is that? F means force exerted on charge. So now the force is exerting on this charge. So you electric field study ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ force exert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Yes, similarly here now on this charge the force is exerting. Yes, how it is exerting? In the perpendicular direction. Perpendicular direction ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? 90 degree. So ಇದು 90 degree ಇದೆ. So perpendicular direction it is. Yes. So now we can define the force. Yes. How we will define? The force exerted on the unit positive charge. Yes. Moving with the velocity v in the presence of magnetic field. So ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? The force exerted on the charge q is moving with velocity v in the presence of magnetic field. So ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು q ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Yes. So now charge is moving, velocity v ಬಂತು in the presence of magnetic field. So how we will write? We can write F is equal to q charge. F is exerting on the charge q. Yes, and it is moving with the velocity v in the presence of magnetic field. Yes. So this is our equation number 1. Right? So what I told you, the force exerts on the charge q, unit positive charge q, moving with the velocity v and in the presence of magnetic field ಸೊ ಇದು ಎ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಎರಡರದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಇದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಥಂಬ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥಂಬ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಥಂಬ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, correct? So this B is moving in the upward direction and Q this velocity is in the this direction. Yes, ಹೀಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ B ಇದ್ದು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, B ಇದ್ದು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, velocity is in this direction, then force is in this direction, perpendicular. Yes, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈ ಎರಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್. ಯಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಎರಡುಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೀರಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ B cross B. Understood? Like for this I considered here B cross B. Understood? So this is the important equation. Yes, force on the magnetic field. They will ask you for the 1 marks. Write the force on the magnetic field present in the plane sheet. So ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Force magnetic field ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? This much. Understood? Then the magnetic force depends upon. So ಈಗ magnetic force, ಈ force ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? It is not only the force. Now it is called what? Magnetic force. Understood? So now F is called as magnetic force. Yes, so on what it will depend? See now, so magnetic force edadra ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೀ. Now it will depends on the charge q. Yes, then it is depend on the velocity of the charge. Yes, and it also depends upon the magnetic field present. Yes, so this magnetic force now depends upon the, here I will just write the some points. Yes, for that you have to write the answer. Yes, so here they ask the question, the magnetic force depends upon charge q. Yes, you need positive charge q and velocity v and the magnetic field b. Yes, after that then at what time this force will be maximum or at what time this force will be minimum? We have to see no now how. See, when see F is equal to 0 is nothing but the minimum. Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ V and B are in a parallel. Yes, so parallel andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ if both B and V they are moving in the same direction, if they are like a parallel, yes, this is the V and this is B. If both are in a parallel direction, then of course force will come 0. Yes, so then when they will be maximum, when both are in a perpendicular direction 90 degree. So 90 degree daga ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? Both V and B are in a perpendicular direction, then force will be maximum. Which force? Magnetic force. Understood? So after that we can define now magnetic force. So magnitude of the force now we have to define. So what is the magnitude of the force? Yes, so magnitude of the force is equal to 0 if the charge is not moving. So andre ಏನ್ರಿ? Just consider now the charge is moving. So charge is moving from this direction to here it is Athni and it is Belgaum. Yes. So now the charge is moving from Athni to Belgaum. Yes. So if the charge is not moving, then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ charge move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ of course velocity ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ. Yes. So put the value here. F q velocity ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. 0 into b. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು magnetic field into 0. Anything into 0? Of course 0. So in a charge into 0 ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0. Yes. So now we can see magnetic force will magnitude of the force it will become 0 when the moving charges are at a constant. Yes. So ನೀವೀಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. ಆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are not moving, then of course the magnitude will also become 0, right? So this is the next point. Then later F is equal to Q of, so now we have to consider the total magnitude here. Yes. So magnitude we consider. So magnitude of the magnetic force is equal to, put the magnitude for this also. Yes. So ಈ formula ಗೆ ಈಗ magnitude ಅನ್ನು put ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So you have to put the magnitude for here also, right? That only I written there. Yes. So magnitude of Q in the bracket V cross B. This magnitude will be complete here. So what we will get now? Sin 90. Sorry, QVB sin theta. So you know that the cross product always give the sin theta. Yes. So I told you in this rule, this V and B are in the cross product. Yes. These both result only gives in this thumb. Yes. So ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ perpendicular, that is force. Yes. So cross product ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ of course sin theta ಬರುತ್ತಾ. Yes. So ನಾವೀಗ maximum and minimum ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದ್ರಿ? See, put theta is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ perpendicular. Yes. 90 degree is nothing but the perpendicular. So QVB sin 90. So sin 90 is 1. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು QVB 1. sin 90 is nothing but the 1. Yes. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ರಿ perpendicular ಇದ್ದಾಗ force maximum ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Understood now? Force ಯಾವಾಗ theta is equal to 90 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ perpendicular ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಗ magnetic force ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ maximum ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because sin 90 is how much? 1. Yes. ಅದೇ ನಾವೀಗ theta is equal to 0. 0 ಅನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. Yes. So ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ F is equal to QVB sin 0. sin 0 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರೀ 0. Yes. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ if Q ಮತ್ತು B and B are parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Yes. 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ರಿ theta is equal to 0. sin 0 is 0. Yes. sin theta. So sin 0 means 0. Yes. ಅದೇ perpendicular ಇದ್ದಾಗ F is equal to how much you will get? QVB. How? Theta is 90 degree. Sin 90 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1. So you will get this much. Understood now? Then so ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ QVB sin theta. This is the formula now. Magnitude of F is 3 QVB sin theta. Yes. So here theta is there. What is the theta? Theta is the angle between the velocity and this magnetic field. Yes, here I wrote. So between the B and B we have the angle. Yes, that is the theta. Understood? So after this, when the F is equal to B, we have to discuss now. So yaವಾಗ F is equal to B ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? When we will put, see, I want to take it as, I want to make F is equal to B. So how it will become? So just consider the formula. F is equal to QVB sin theta. Yes. So F is equal to QVB sin theta. So ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? F is equal to B ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what I have to do? F ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. So charge ಅನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, charge here positive charge ಇದೆ. So of course +1 I have to put. Yes. So velocity ಅನ್ನು 1 ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes. So ಈಗ F is equal to B ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So of course B like that I will keep, and sin theta is very 90 degree. Yes, sin 90 is how much? Sin 90 is 1. Yes, so ಏನಾಯ್ತು? F is equal to 1 into B into sin 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. So F is equal to B. Yes, so ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Charge, unit positive charge of 1 coulomb. Coulomb ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು? SI unit of the unit positive charge. Charge is SI unit of coulomb. Yes, so we put the 1 coulomb of the charge and the 1 meter per second of the velocity, and B as it is, then theta will be 90 degree. Yes, then we will get that magnetic force is equal to magnetic field. ಇದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? magnetic force is equal to magnetic field. Yes, so that only I written here. Q is equal to +1, unit positive charge. V is equal to 1, then theta will be 90 degree. Yes, then how we will read? Magnetic field. This is the definition of the magnetic field. Yes, so magnetic field B at a point is defined as, so magnetic field ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? The force acting on a unit positive charge. This force acting on a unit positive charge moving with the velocity 1 meter per second in the presence of magnetic field at right angles to the force. Yes, so there the force acting on a unit positive charge moving with a unit velocity. So the force acting on unit positive charge, unit positive andre 1 idhage. Yes, so unit positive charge moving with unit velocity. Yes, unit velocity and perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Perpendicular means sin 90. This perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field B. So that we can define it as magnetic field B. Yes, so SI unit of the magnetic field, that is B, is equal to Tesla. What we will have? Tesla. T. See, current ge ampere is a SI unit. Similarly, the magnetic field ge ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Tesla. So one more unit is there, that is Gauss. What is that? Gauss. It is here. Another unit of the magnetic field is Gauss. Yes, G-A-U-S-S. G-A-U-S-S. Yes, or you can write Tesla. This is the SI unit of the magnetic field. Yes, so Tesla, ಎಷ್ಟು Tesla ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು Gauss ರೀ? 1 Gauss is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Here. So B, what we will get from this equation? So F divided by QV sin theta. Yes, from that equation, correct? So B is equal to F divided by QV sin theta. So I want to define 1 Tesla. So what I can put now? So B and mainly 1 Tesla barbeka. So force ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು 1 Newton. Yes, then Q 1 unit positive charge, 1 unit positive charge. Velocity is 1 meter per second. ಇದು 1 coulomb into sin theta. Sin theta means ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋತೀವಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Yes, so ಈಗ in terms of SI unit define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು SI unit ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? Yes, so ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 ಟೆಸ್ಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ find the force. Yes, the force acting with the 1 Newton on the unit positive charge coulomb. Yes, the force the 1 Newton force exerted on the 1 coulomb of charge moving with a 1 meter per second velocity at right angles to the magnetic field. Yes, so how we can define now? See here, definition of 1 Tesla. Well, B is equal to 1 Tesla. How? Well, 1 Newton of force exerted on the 1 coulomb of charge moving with 1 meter per second velocity at right angles to each other. Yes, at right angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Right angle is nothing but the 90 degree. This is the definition of the, that is magnetic 1 Tesla. Understood? So after this we can write the dimensional formula. So you go to the dimensional formula. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? In terms of MLT. ಹೌದು right? MLT. M ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? mass, L ಅಂದ್ರೆ length, T means time. So ಈಗ magnetic field ಗೆ dimensional formula ಏನು? MLT to the power -2. So this is the dimensional formula for the magnetic field. Yes, so this is some characteristics about the magnetic field. Yes, after this we will discuss now one force, that is called as Lorentz force. What we call Lorentz force. So Lorentz force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Force exert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, force means here I will write force exert on unit positive charge in the presence of, so force ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, then presence ಏನಿದೆ? electric field E and magnetic field B. Then so ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು that is one particle is there or else the one charge is present. I am applying the force on this. Yes, force exert ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes, so force exert ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ರೀ? ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. Yes, you already know that charge is constant. Charge constant ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes, so ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿಯಿಂದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, then that creates the magnetic field. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ and electric field ಇದೆ. So now the force, what it will become? Force ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Force. So electric field ಇದ್ದಾಗ force ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? You have the formula E is equal to F divided by Q. force ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? This much you already studied. Yes, so Q of V cross B. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಾ? Electric field present ಇದೆ, magnetic field present ಇದೆ. Yes, so now here also Q is present, here also Q is present. So you can take the formula now. Q E plus Q, sorry, in the bracket V cross B. So this is called as Lorentz force. Yes, what we call Lorentz force. Important it is. So in the paper they will ask you write the Lorentz force in the presence of both electric field and magnetic field ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Write the expression for the force in the presence of electric field and magnetic field. Yes, so electric field ಇರಬೇಕು, magnetic field ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಗ force expression ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what we have to write? This one. Force exerts on the charge in the presence of electric field and also called magnetic field, and in the presence of magnetic field ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Lorentz force ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, and also they will ask you write the expression for Lorentz force in the presence of magnetic field. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇ magnetic field ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So what you have to write now? This one. ಈ equation ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Lorentz force in B. Understood? So Lorentz force ಬರೇ magnetic field ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? F is equal to Q of V cross B. Yes, ಅದೇ electric field ಮತ್ತು magnetic field ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Understood? So they will ask you anyone Lorentz force only in magnetic field, that time you have to write this equation. Then Lorentz force present in both electric field and magnetic field, that time you have to write this equation. Understood? So this is about the much important topic, that is magnetic field.